A bold Francophonie for healthy communities. This is the new shared and inspiring vision that Hôpital Montfort, the Institut du Savoir Montfort, and Santé Montfort adopt by launching a joint strategic plan for the first time.
Over the next 4 years, we will serve a growing and aging population. We will increase French language services in Ottawa and elsewhere in the province. We will strengthen our social accountability to improve health outcomes for the vulnerable population we serve. We will increase the impact of teaching and research to develop the next generation of knowledge in health. And we will innovate to be a sought-for environment for our team and for our patients.
At Montfort, we want to honor the past, celebrate the present, and build the future. And that's what this plan will enable us to do. When the Daughters of Wisdom founded Montfort in 1953, it was first and foremost to offer care in French to a growing population. Our origins are rooted in the Francophonie, and today, Montfort is a beacon for communities throughout the region, no matter their identity, language, or origin. The whole region depends on Montfort's success.
Who would have thought more than 70 years ago that today Montfort would be a high-performing academic hospital, that we would be proudly affiliated with the University of Ottawa, that we would be one of Canada's top 40 research hospitals, and that we would have received 3 consecutive accreditations with exemplary standing, the highest rating possible.
Who would have thought that Montfort would now be home to the Canadian Forces Health Services Centre Ottawa, to a 128-bed long-term care home, that we would have inaugurated the Aline Chrétien Health Hub in Orléans, an assertive community treatment team in Vanier, a mental health center in Rockland, an extensive telehealth program across the province, helped found the Montfort Academic Family Health Team, and co-founded Montfort Renaissance. Who would have thought that Montfort would have become a social symbol, a symbol of hope for the rights of linguistic minority communities? It took audacity to do all that, and it will take more to reinvent our future.
After a pandemic shook the healthcare world, all North American hospitals are faced with human resources challenges. Artificial intelligence is taking its place in clinical activities, research, and education. Demographics are changing quickly. Hospitals have a crucial role to play in reducing our ecological footprint. We must take these challenges into account and transform ourselves. We must make choices for the future.
To ensure that our plan meets your needs, we carried out an extensive consultation process. At Montfort, in the region and across the province, over 1,300 of you took part in 80 consultation opportunities. We've been in Vanier, Orléans, the west end of Ottawa, Embrun, Clarence, Rockland, Toronto, London, Thunder Bay, Timmins, Kapuskasing, and Hearst. The draft plan was validated by 300 people from our teams and our communities. Thank you for being part of defining our future, and you will find this future in our 24-28 strategic plan leading us to Montfort's 75th anniversary.
Our strategic plan was crafted for health and well-being of our communities, the local and provincial communities we serve, the medical community with whom we work closely, the community of partners with whom close collaboration is essential, and our teams with whom we form a community at heart, the broad Montfort family.
With this plan, patients come first, with quality and safety of care at the forefront. We focus on continuous improvements, and our decisions are evidence-based. We stand in solidarity with our communities, our teams, and our partners, as they did with Montfort. We care about sustainable development and reducing our climate footprint for future generations. And we want to recognize and respect the rights of Indigenous peoples.
Our strategic plan articulates our 5 key goals for the next 4 years and enables Hôpital Montfort, Institut du Savoir Montfort, and Santé Montfort to transform, while respecting our identity, to continue writing this beautiful story that began in 1953. This strategic plan has been designed with you, for you. Together, we're a bold Francophonie for healthy communities.